In today's station, you're going to be working on looking at notice and note signposts. We've glued this into your interactive notebook already. It's a flip book. This is the cover, this is the second page, and then this is the last page that's actually glued down to the back of your notebook paper. And we've given some different examples that we've all read from the outsiders and talked about how they fit. Today you're going to review the notes a little bit more in depth. I would like for you to get out a highlighter and highlight what you think to be the important words, the important questions, and the important things that you look for when you're using contrasts and contradictions, because these signposts are really important when you're reading to force you to stop and think about what it is that you're reading to get the most information out of it. So, the first one we're going to talk about is contrast and contradictions. So, you'll see our signpost here is yellow, so I want you to get out a yellow highlighter. A contrast and contradiction is when you're reading and a character says or does something that's opposite or contradicts what he's been saying or doing all along. I want you to highlight the word opposite or contradicts. Okay, we're looking for something that's different, that we wouldn't expect from our character. You should stop and ask yourself, why is the character doing that? The answer could help you make a prediction or make an inference about the plot or conflict. So we had talked about in The Outsiders when Ponyboy breaks the bottle and uses it to defend himself. That contradicted his previous behavior. Earlier in the story, he was given a bottle and he said he would never have used it. He would never try to hurt anybody with it. So as the story has changed, we find out that Ponyboy has changed. He is willing to stand up for himself. He's showing a little more bravery. He's been through a lot in the last few weeks, and he's not going to take it anymore. So his behavior shows us a contrast and contradiction, and it's really important to understand how he starts to change throughout the story. It shows how significant the events that he went through affected him.